Hey guys, we're breaking Ultimate Wrestling Leaf. This stuff, it's awesome. Let's see what we get, baby. Here we go. I'm so excited for this. Wrestling I've been watching a lot.
Oh, you gotta cut the bottom.
Oh, I do?
Away from you.
There we go.
Set it down.
1 pack per box and 6 cards. Oh, my friend, this will be good.
Let me help you.
Thanks, Dad.
No problem.
Here we go. Don Fry auto stars.
Is it numbered?
No, it's not. Josh Bennett auto ultimate stars. 5 out of 15 in that top corner. There you go. Coco Beware.
Nice. I like that.
Auto ultimate stars. Here's another one. 21 out of 25 ultimate stars. I have no idea what.
Minori Suzuki?
Yeah. Auto. 21 out of 35. Bob Orton, Randy Orton's dad. 14 out of 15. And last but not least, Kevin Nash.
Ooh.
Auto 1 of 3.
Nice.
Now, my friend. Wow, that's nice. Alright, that's for the recap. Kevin Nash, I think this was the best card here. 1 of 3. Bob Orton, Randy Orton's dad, 14-15. $21 out of 35, Ultimate Stars. Autograph of Markin. I don't know how to say his name. Coco Beware. Auto Ultimate Stars. Out of nothing. Josh Barnett. Ultimate Stars. Autograph 5 out of 15. Top corner. And Don Fry. Ultimate Stars. Autograph. That's all we have today for Leaf Ultimate Stars. I hope you enjoy these cards. Bye.